Unlock your classroom potential. Master Google Play Store on Samsung WAD Display. Imagine turning your classroom into an interactive hub where learning comes alive, engaging students like never before. Thanks to the powerful Samsung WAD Interactive Display, this isn't just a dream, it's entirely doable. Packed with versatile apps and easy-to-navigate features, this display lets educators personalize lessons, foster collaboration, and keep everything running smoothly. And the secret weapon? Accessing the Google Play Store on your WAD device. Want to know how? Buckle up, because you're about to discover a simple, step-by-step guide to making the most of this incredible technology. First off, locate the Google Play Store app by tapping the main search bar on your display. Scroll through your pre-installed apps or drag and drop the icon to your toolbar for quick future access. Once you find it, tap to open. Easy. Next, sign in with your Google account. This step unlocks the entire universe of educational and productivity apps just waiting to enhance your teaching. If you're new to Google's ecosystem, don't worry, it's quick and straightforward. Now comes the fun part, exploring the store. Use the search bar to find apps that help explain complex subjects, support language learning, or encourage creativity. Whether it's math tools, science simulations, or interactive storybooks, the options are endless. When you find an app you want, simply tap Install and watch it download onto your Samsung WAD Interactive Display. Once installed, the app appears alongside your other tools. Tap to launch and integrate new resources into your lessons. Beyond installing apps, the Samsung WAD's true strength lies in transforming your classroom. Combined with Google Play Store's vast library, you can personalize learning experiences, supporting different student needs with tailored digital tools. Facilitating collaboration becomes seamless. Students and teachers can share content across devices, and up to 40 touchpoints make group activities more dynamic. Managing everything is smooth sailing too. Samsung's remote management solution lets you oversee preloaded apps across multiple devices, ensuring students only access what they should. And, with Samsung Knox security built in, your digital classroom remains safe and protected from online threats. In a nutshell, integrating Google Play Store apps into your Samsung WAD Interactive Display empowers you to craft a more engaging, efficient, and secure learning environment. From tailored lessons to collaborative projects, this combo changes the game. Curious to see it in action? Watch this video or visit Samsung's Interactive Solutions page. These resources showcase how a WAD display, turbocharged with Google Play Store apps, can elevate your teaching experience and inspire your students to reach new heights in learning. Ready to transform your classroom? The future's just a tap away.